Hello to all the viewers watching the program. Today, we will explore the fascinating daily life of a humble rural man. He skillfully transforms natural ingredients into a delicious meal. Let's see what this young man is up to. Look, our young man is exploring this land. He just discovered a small hole in the ground. Bending down close, he presses his ear to the hole, listening for any sounds from within. How clever! This is the intuition and experience of those who live in harmony with nature. But that's not where it ends. The result is truly impressive, isn't it? For him, this is not just work, but a joyful connection with his homeland. Let's wash those frogs. But the journey isn't over yet. Look, he just spotted a wild bonbon tree growing by the riverbank. Ripe bonbon, naturally grown, is a gift from Mother Nature. Let's follow him back to his home to see how he prepares his meal. He carefully places each frog on the table, neatly arranging them next to the ripe bonbon fruit. Then, he begins breaking dry twigs and skillfully starts the fire. The flames crackle, casting a warm glow in the peaceful village atmosphere. Everything is ready for a wonderful meal, made from simple ingredients but filled with love for nature. Without any fancy tools, just a few bamboo sticks, he's ready for a simple yet delicious meal. He pounds the chili, garlic, cuts a lime, and squeezes the juice into the mortar. He tries a piece of lime, grimaces, but clearly enjoys it. Oh, it must be really sour. But just look at that satisfied expression on his face, it says it all. And now, the most anticipated moment, enjoying the fruits of his labor. It's not just a meal, but the joy of having sought and created it with his own hands. A simple day, yet filled with happiness, from the fields and the river to the humble kitchen. This is the richness found in the simple life of rural people. What do you think, everyone? An inspiring story, isn't it? Join us as we continue to explore the beauty of simple living in the upcoming episodes of Mr. Dao Chef. For now, goodbye and see you soon.